Abet Jackson Davis here. Enunyam phobia or ye legends e was sinitwema womono sinitwa na hyase no e wo Ghana mu no womo ne di kan bi omhuji mo agisi hwa ene se ye ka se Ghana movie a womo so e ka ho bi ne ne wato anananom e won se do empepi no ye taka bibi se ye mboa nipa wo bra wo tia se esanse wawuda kete so na akobonsa wakase ko isika kase ko tomenras okoto nsu obodo de begu ha sebe emu na woda ho no wo hu papa wo de aye no nti wo tia se na we yi odo kakra di e di akere no eye owura Fred Amuji a wo ye Flora Tissue ambassador wo no so kakra wo nya free ma wo no so wo indosu yesika akra obobo ano no wo kire ni nue yi eye adoye kakra na se eni sodie kakra se wo mo nyina twesini no abre e wa brabo emu nti kakra no so nyaa no wo de ko support ni nue yi ansa wo to anana no won se do nene wo mo de ni nyina abeto abonti so wo mo ngja no na so wo bre ye pra asa wo ni so tiye wo ma yen hwe emra sisia.
Someday I got so broke. I called him, he said, oh, he's driving. So when he gets home, I was surprised when the money came. I said, I didn't say I wanted this amount. I told you exactly what I wanted. So why this amount? You know, so I thank you so much. So much.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
And then, I thank you. You are far away, so I can't hug you.
You lie, man.
Yeah, so I hope we'll put it to good use. I had a team here. Yeah, on the distress.
Yes.
They are going to test. They are going to test the people of it.
And that is his fear, you know. The youngest among them. Oh.
And another tear it apart.
Washing soap. Not for brushing teeth. Don't bring yourself.
But do you know those times our parents or my father taught me that when we ran out of toothpaste, we used soap.
Don't touch me.
No. Key soap. Key soap. You just make it the brush wet. Just hit it on there. Yeah, and then you brush your teeth, and then you're able to go. Yeah.
So you've eaten soup before?
I love soup.
Mr. Obitias no hiamboa Mr. Yenso ni mu na wo a wo ye ne papa bia wo ado e bi de ye kwetwu a Mr. wa be ye miansa ahofei ya je afiri mi nsem makra.